So today we will discuss on the topic beta oxidation of fatty acid from biochemistry. The fatty acid present in the body are oxidized by beta oxidation. Beta oxidation may be defined as the oxidation of fatty acid on the beta carbon atom. This occurs in mitochondria and this is aerobic process. There are several types of fatty acid oxidation like beta oxidation, alpha oxidation and omega oxidation. And while we will see now their sites of oxidation. Beta oxidation occur in mitochondria. Alpha oxidation occur in endoplasmic reticulum, while omega oxidation also occur in endoplasmic reticulum. There are three steps in beta oxidation. So first step is activation of fatty acid in the cytosol. So in this process, fatty acid are activated to acetyl-CoA. Fatty acid are activated to acyl-CoA, acetyl-CoA, okay, by enzyme thiokinase. Fatty acid react with ATP to form acyl aldenate. Fatty acid react with enzyme thiokinase to form acyl aldenate, okay, and then which then combine with coenzyme acyl aldanase combines with coenzyme A to produce acyl CoA, okay. So second step is transport of fatty acid into mitochondria. This step occur in fourth step, okay. When acyl CoA is converted into acyl carotene by the enzyme carotene acyl transferase 1, okay. Acyl CoA is converted into enzyme acyl carotene by the enzyme carotene transferase 1. This was the first step. The acyl carotene is transported across the membrane of mitochondria. It is transported across the membrane of mitochondria. This is the membrane of mitochondria by a specified carrier proton. Okay. Then third, carotene acyl transferase second. The second enzyme carotene transferase second converts acyl carotene to acyl CoA. By enzyme carotene acyl transferase 2. Then the carotene release and return to cytosol. And it is reused here, okay. So now third step is beta oxidation proper in the mitochondrial matrix. It includes four important steps. Okay. Oxidation. The oxidation is the catalyzed by the acyl CoA dehydrogenase. Okay. Then hydration of enol CoA hydrase. Then oxidation of beta hydroxy acyl CoA dehydrogenase, and then cleavage of thiokinase, okay. This was the third step, and in this step the fatty acyl CoA, which is also known as acyl CoA, is converted to trans-enol CoA by the enzyme acyl CoA dehydrogenase. Then trans-enol CoA is converted into beta acyl CoA by the enzyme hydrase. Then beta hydroxy acyl CoA is converted into beta keto CoA by the enzyme beta hydroxy CoA dehydrogenase. Then beta acyl CoA is converted to acyl CoA by the enzyme thiolase, okay. And in this process the net ATP of oxidation of one molecule of palmitate is 129. So beta oxidation generate high energy, okay.